Hi guys, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Razorpay in your WordPress website. So here you can see that this is the dashboard of my WordPress website, and on the left side you can see that we have WooCommerce. So just hover on it and then click on settings. Right now I have only connected PayPal, but now I am interested to add Razorpay also. So you can see here we have an option of payments. So just click on that. And then you should scroll a little bit down, and here you can see that we have multiple options like Stripe, PayPal. Once you are clicking on more payment options, below here you can see we have Razorpay. So just click on install. Now you can see that Razorpay is installed. So now you should click on complete setup. We actually need to connect our Razorpay account in our WordPress. So here you can see that enable this module. We have UPI, cards, net banking. We have the description of it. Here we need to add key ID and key secret. So where we will be getting these two keys. So just log into your Razorpay account. So just go to your browser and search Razorpay. And then after you should click on Razorpay payment gateway. And here you have an option of login. So just click on login. And here you need to add your login details. And then click on continue. Now you will be getting an OTP on your mobile phone. And then click on verify. Then you can choose your Gmail and then click on continue. And here you need to add the password. And then click on login. Once you logged into your dashboard of your Razorpay, then you should click on payments. And on the left bottom you can see we have an option of account and settings. So just click on this option. Scroll a little bit down, and here you will be getting business website details and also API keys. So you should click on API keys. And here we go. Now you can see that we have the website connected to our Razorpay. So that is already successfully verified. So just scroll a little bit down, and here we have an option of regenerate key. So just click on it. And then you need to verify your account first. So you need to add so you will be getting an OTP in your registered phone number. So just add that OTP here. And then click on continue. And here you can see we have an option of deactivate old key immediately, deactivate old key in 24 hours. So if you already have an old key, so you can deactivate old key immediately. So this is for the security purpose. But for now, I'm not interested to generate on my live account. So let me cancel it and let me turn on. So let me turn on test mode because I have already connected my other websites. So let me do it here first. So this is test mode, and now you can click on regenerate key. And then click on continue. And here we have an option of deactivate old key in 24 hours and then regenerate key. So once you regenerate it, then you will be getting test API key and test API key secret. So let me copy this key from here and then paste it right here. Then paste the key here, and same way you need to paste the secret key also. And then click on save changes. So now let's test it. So let me go back to my website. And here we have a shop option. And let me buy one code from here. Click on add to cart. And let me click on view cart. And click on. I have multiple other codes also added. So let me click on checkout. And here we go. Now you can see that this is the PayPal option, but down below you can also see that we have Pay by Razorpay. So that means Razorpay is connected here. So for real orders, this is for the testing mode, but for real orders, you need to generate similar kind of keys from your live account. So let me show you where you will be doing. You should actually disable this test mode and then again go back here and you will have an option of regenerate key. So click on regenerate and same way you will be getting those API keys, and those API keys you need to paste it again here, and that's it. So this is how you are able to integrate your Razorpay account in your WordPress website. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you are facing any kind of issues, feel free to ask me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So you can message me, or you can add the comment, or you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.